Get gas performance without the hassles. Rule the outdoors with the 18-volt X2 LXT brushless chainsaw. It's powered by two 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. That means no gas, lower noise, less maintenance, and zero emissions. The chainsaw has a Makita-built outer rotor brushless motor direct drive system that provides high power efficiency equivalent to a gas chainsaw. It has a variable speed trigger, so you can set the speed to the application. Other features include a built-in LED on-off switch with auto power-off function, which automatically shuts the saw off when operation is delayed for extended battery life. The chainsaw features extreme protection technology, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. With the fastest charge times, Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.
The Ego 56-volt Power Plus chainsaw is a powerhouse, delivering up to 100 hassle-free cuts per charge. It's equipped with a 14-inch bar and chain, giving you the ability to cut more than 1 foot thick wood. 56 volts of lithium-ion power and a brushless motor give this chainsaw all the power you need to fell, limb, and chop up trees. Tension the chain and oil the blade with ease. For added safety, a chain brake shuts off the saw immediately. Effortlessly switch the battery between any of the Ego Power Plus tools so you never have to stop what you are doing. Now you can make firewood and not just a bunch of noise. A chainsaw that is ready whenever you need it. All bite without the bark. Part of the Ego Power Plus system. Power beyond belief.
The cordless chainsaw has an 18-inch bar and chain, which is perfect for tackling the toughest jobs. It has a toolless bar and chain tensioning. The automatic oiler applies oil to ensure durability and extend the life of the chain. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery uses cutting-edge technology to deliver maximum power, and it fully recharges in only 30 minutes. The electric start is easy to use, and it's ultra-quiet with minimal vibration versus comparable gas chainsaws. Hassle-free operation. No cord, no gas, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.
Get the power of precision and plug-in convenience in your next chainsaw, the Oregon CS1200. The rugged CS1200 is easy to use, powerful, and reliable. Cut with confidence the next time you trim tree branches, cut firewood, or fall trees. All with a smooth, accurate experience. Make chain adjustments fast and easy with its convenient, tool-free chain tensioning system. The CS1200 also features automatic oiling for virtually maintenance-free use. It's time to go beyond the typical headaches and forget hassling with pull cords, air filters, winterizing, and gas oil mixing. And the new electric chainsaw is silent between cuts. Finally, a top-quality, low-noise saw with instant start, endless runtime, and uncompromising torque. Engineered with a powerful 12-amp motor and 16-inch guide bar, the Oregon CS1200 allows you to power through projects all day, every day, and weighs in at just 10 pounds. The lightweight, ergonomic, and balanced design keeps you in the cut as long as it takes. And Oregon's industry-leading bar and chain design ensures low vibration, low kickback cutting, reducing fatigue and keeping you comfortable and in control. The CS1200 electric chainsaw from Oregon. Your next saw that's built to last and built for you, getting the job done right. That's Oregon.
The Greenworks chainsaw has incredible torque and is perfect for cutting branches and limbs with ease. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery uses cutting-edge technology to deliver maximum power. The electric start is easy to use and is ultra-quiet with minimal vibration versus comparable gas chainsaws. It has a toolless bar and chain tensioning. The automatic oiler applies oil to ensure durability and extend the life of the chain. Hassle-free operation. No cord, no gas, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.